Oh, how can I post a video more than 1 month and I still come realize say the video did not even reach 100 view? That is so boring. Yes, every YouTuber make a mistake and every YouTuber will not know this. No be everybody will tell you this. If you see say your video did not perform well or your video is not going viral, let me tell you what and what that can make a video to go viral and what to stop a video not to go viral on this video. So guys, like I told you earlier, if it is your first time of seeing my face here, do well by subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. On this channel, I teach something like how to grow a YouTube channel. So if you see say your video is so boring or it's not going viral, there are some things you need to know. And on this video, I'm going to teach you how for you to creating an attractive thumbnail. Even though your main video is not doing okay, it's supposed to have view, because if you have attractive thumbnail, you will drag a viewer to come and view your video. Even though they don't like it or they dislike it, YouTube will not take dislike as anything because it's still engagement. Thank God they even watch am before they dislike am. It will still give you a progress to make a video, your video today recommended. So that is YouTube for you. So the first thing you need to do is from your title. On the previous video, I teach you how to title, where to find exactly title that is good for your video. So on this particular one now, I want to tell you how to do your thumbnail, like how to edit the thumbnail. So guys, I'm going to take you to the screen where I will show you one by one how you can edit your thumbnail. And if you know say you can't do it, or you are somebody that is novice into editing, so guys, you can go to my profile on this YouTube. You can go to my main profile on this YouTube. You will see a link to my WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group, come there and message me. Where you message me, tell me say I should teach you properly how to create a thumbnail. I will show you everything gradually. Or if you even want me to create it for you, I will help you to create it for you and send it to you. Then you use and to upload your video. So guys, out on this video now, I'm going to take you to the screen to show you any app that is editing video can editing thumbnail. That is what you know. No any particular app is made for only thumbnail. Any app that you can use it to edit your video can edit thumbnail too. Like me, I use like InShoot, I use CapCut, and I have a lot of many apps that I use to edit video, and I can still use them for my own thumbnail. So guys, let me take you to the screen without waste much of your time. Like I told you earlier, if you know say you want to be following me up and down for you to learn everything about what I say, do well and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and make sure say you be sharing this video to other YouTubers so that them too will get notice about this thing. Don't be greedy, because we will be sharing to love each other. I open this channel so that all of us, all my subscribers for other places that are YouTuber, should follow me up and we grow together. So guys, let's go on and see it. If you see say you get attractive thumbnail and the video, at least you drawing a viewer, you see YouTube will recommend your video to a right audience. But if your thumbnail is dull, even though you create a better content, nobody will watch it. Nobody will see it, because the moment they see the thumbnail, they go. If you can see your impress or your reach, your engagement is more higher than people that view the video. So when the people that are engaged, people that are getting the engaged, or people that the video reach, you will see na thumbnail they see first. If that thumbnail no dey attractive to them, they will not click and watch it. So guys, let's go to the screen for me to show you how for you to edit everything your thumbnail, how to create your thumbnail properly. So guys, here we are on the screen. So go to your Google Play. You are going to download this app for me, Pinterest. This app called Pinterest, you are going to download in it. Let me search for it. You see it here, you see the logo here. So I have it already, I don't need to download it. Let me minimize my phone. Then I have to go open it on the phone. When you open the app, everything you are looking for, you can see it here through the search bar. This search bar here, you can see it here. Let me show you what I have been searching on this app that I have gotten the result of what I want. See now, the latest one is how to create attractive thumbnail. See what they give here. I can use something here to create my own thumbnail today exactly like this. I can use it. So let's minimize. I have saved this attractive thumbnail design here. Let's minimize the app now. Then the next app we are going to have is
AI video editing. I don't save it. Let's minimize. AI video editing. See it here. See and here. AI video editing. Then we click it. You open it here. What this app do is for you. Go to AI remove. Then bring that thumbnail that you download. You can remove this a picture of human being that you see during the way I'm doing. Click on it. You can be hold on slowly. You see it on the screen, small screen for the up there. Then you will be follow it like this. Make sure say did not go to cross on text. Highlight everywhere on that picture. Okay. When you highlight highlight it well. Then you place this remove. Wait for a while. You take some minute or take some few seconds. You see it has removed. You can put your own picture when we say that the picture what you do here. The next app you are going to have for me here, let me minimize this one. The next app you are going to have is InShot. You open your InShot editing again. Then you go to picture editing. Then you click it. Bring the one that you edit that time. Then you bring it. You can see how attractive this thing. You can see in it here. Then you are going to look for your photos. Maybe say you have already removed the background. You can design it, add anyone you like on according to your own satisfaction, which is good. Okay, make sure so everything go on a direction. So now let's go and look for the photo that I have already removed the background. Let me just say, let me use the particular one I always use. Let me use the particular one I always use. Let me click on it. You see it now. You can see it. The photo has come. No, I'm looking for the one that the background has already removed. Oh, where this picture? I can't find the picture. You can see this one. So you can make sure you can rotate it anywhere you like on your own. Then after you finish everything on this way, you can save it. You can add anything that you have to make the thumbnail designable. Let me use this to crop this one small. Then I have put it here like this. Then you are going to try and save. You are going to save it. Wait for it to save. So now the advert won't show like this. So the picture has already saved. You go back. You are creating your thumbnail, and you can go upload your video successfully without no error. Do well by subscribe to this channel.